Hi friends, Cold Chance here. Thank you for joining me on Om Yoga Tribe. Please subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we'll be having weekly classes, and I'll be having some of my friends and awesome teachers join us as well, so look out for guest spots there. So currently in Austin, Texas, and we're just going to move and breathe today. So take a seat, join me, close the eyes. Bring the hands face down on the knees. Begin to connect with your breath. See if you can lean back a little bit and how that feels. We often are living so much in front of us, so forward in the future, that even our body reflects that. So lean back a little bit as if you're leaning against a wall and see if that feels more centered. Inhale, breathe through the crown of the head and lift. Exhale, root down through the tail. Inhale, broaden the collarbones, bring the heart forward. And exhale, let the shoulders fall. I want to take a mudra, a hand gesture. So you can open your eyes, take your thumb and your pinky finger. The three fingers will be touching. So we can do this on both hands, and we'll lay them back of the hand on the knee. This is Buddhi Mudra. It takes negative energy and turns it into positive energy. And I think we all could do with a dose of that, a healthy dose of that. So breathing into that idea that we have the power to shift our perception, that we are the masters of our mind, and that we can ultimately choose our thoughts, so we can choose to be more positive. Choose to look at things in a different light. And choose freedom over suffering. One more inhale here. Side out the mouth. Beautiful. Release the mudra. Let's bring the arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Cactus the arms. Bring heart forward. Elbows back. Inhale. Lift. Exhale. Pull down. Almost as if you're like pulling yourself up on a bar. Like doing a pull-up or something. Again, arms up. And exhale. Pull yourself up. Good. Take left hand to the knee, right hand behind the back, and we twist. Deep breaths here. There's a tendency to kind of slump the shoulders forward in the twist. We want to stay really open, heart open, twisting behind. And release, we'll switch sides. Right hand. Left hand behind. Inhale, create space, and exhale, twist. Release. Let's just take the hands back to the knees, round the back, gaze down. Inhale, bring the heart forward, gaze up. Open the throat. Bring the bottom teeth over the top teeth. It looks really weird. Bring the bottom teeth over the top teeth. Kind of stretch the neck. Exhale, round. Stay here. Shake the head no. And come forward one more time. Bring the bottom teeth over the top teeth. Make a funny face. And we'll make circles. Let's go to the left and back. The right and forward. So just making big circles here. Just moving and breathing. I'm getting some cracks and pops here. So just moving the spine in all directions. Once more. Beautiful. And let's come into tabletop position. Hands to the ground underneath the shoulders. The knees are underneath the hips. And instead of cat-cow, we're going to turn over the right shoulder, gaze towards the back feet. So we're going to move the spine in this direction. Gaze over the left. But really moving the back, moving the spine, all different ways. Once more. This time bring the hips even farther down. Bring them almost down to the ground. And back to the other side. Good. Let's bring the forearms to the ground. Extend the legs long. Sphinx pose. Opening the heart. Plant the hands. Pick up the leg. Reach the toe back as far as you can. Pick up the other leg. Reach the toe back as far as you can. Beautiful. So the arms are in 90 degrees here. So the elbows are underneath the shoulders. Hands are coming right out. Heart is coming forward. Push the pubic bone down into the ground. That'll give you a little more lift here. Breathing. Really love this pose. And good back strengthener as well. And let's come down. Extend the right arm out. Left fingertips tent up. The right cheek will come on the ground. We'll bend the left leg and push the ground away. It's kind of like a Simon Says transition. So opening up the right shoulder here. If you're really flexible and you need a little bit more, you can bend the right leg over by the left leg. It's a little bit too much for me, but it's an option. And let's come back to center, switching sides. Right arm comes out. The left fingertips tent. Change cheeks. And we roll the side, relaxing here. Letting the opening happen, not forcing it. And coming back to center. Inhale, lift up, cobra pose, this time on the hands. And push the ground away, child's pose. Bring the head down. Breathing here. Come up halfway, take the right arm, and we'll thread it underneath. So it's like we're threading the needle. We normally do this from tabletop, but we'll do it from child's pose. And you can walk the right hand over towards, the left hand over towards the right. And we'll switch sides. Just gently transitioning. Coming back to center. Let's come into downward facing dog here. We won't stay here too long, but it's a really good back stretch, really a full body stretch. So really pushing into the fingertips, not so much in the heels of the hands, but pushing, pushing, pushing. The knees can be slightly bent and create some space between the ears and the shoulders. Bend one leg and then the other. And we'll walk the hands back. Getting some traction in the back. If you want a little bit more, bring the hands behind the head. Sway side to side. And begin to come forward. And bring the feet forward as well, about a foot, maybe 2 feet up the side of the mat. We're going to do a nice twist here. So the right hand will go to the left calf or the ankle, and we'll pull the torso through, gazing up at the left hip. Really nice back stretch here. If you need a little bit more stability, you can bring that left hand more into the center of the mat. That'll give you a little extra. And release, and we'll switch sides. So maybe bringing that right hand in the middle, grabbing the outside of the ankle, reaching through. Kind of wringing out. And release. And let's come back down onto a seat here. Take the arms out. Cross the left arm over the right arm. And we'll twist the arms, eagle arms. Palms of the hands can be together, the backs of the palms can be together. Elbows are in line with the shoulders. It's a really nice upper back stretch. So you're kind of rounding, you can see I'm kind of rounding the back, pushing the elbows away. Inhale, lift the fingertips up. Arch the back, and exhale, round. Push the elbows away from the shoulders. Inhale, come up. And exhale, come down. Once more, inhale up. And exhale down. Unwind the arms. Let's take the left arm up, the right arm down. And we're going to connect them, or towards connecting, on our back. So I'll show you what that looks like. The right arm will be up, the left arm will be down. So something like this, and maybe you begin to connect the fingers. This is also a really good place for if you have like a scarf or a belt or something that you can use to connect. A couple things that we're looking for is that this left shoulder, we don't want it to come forward. The point is the opening. So If it starts to come forward, then release that hand down the back a little bit more so that you have more space. The head can push back into the right hand, right arm. Pull the belly in and breathe. Close your eyes if you'd like. If you're holding your breath, you're a little too far in, so just inch out a bit. One more inhale. Release. Bring the arms out. This time a little right arm over the left arm. Same thing, eagle arms. Fronts of the palms or backs of the palms. Push the elbows away here. Feel this back stretch, opening up in between the shoulder blades. And let's exhale, bring it down. Inhale, come all the way up, arch the back. And exhale, down. Inhale up. And exhale, down. Opening up the arms, inhale. This time the left arm up, right arm behind. It'll be different on this side. This side I can barely get my fingers, but remember, right arm is right shoulder opening. Head pushes back into the left arm. Such a nice, nice arm, shoulder opener. And let's release. Kind of shake the arms out. And take a couple more big spinal circles. Do about 3 in each direction. And then we come to center. Closing the eyes down. Again, taking that Buddhi Mudra, the thumb and the pinky finger touching. 3 middle fingers together, backs of the palms on the knees. Thank yourself for showing up today. And I thank you for sharing your practice with me. I hope you have a beautiful day and take this mudra as a reminder that perception is everything and that you have the choice. Bring the hands together, thumbs at third eye. We bow forward to seal our practice as we say, Namaste. Thank you all so much for joining me. Again, Cold Chance here. Feel free to head over to my website if you want to learn more about me and where I'll be if you'd like to share your practice live. I think that's all. Enjoy your day. Thanks for taking some yoga medicine with me, and I'll see you next time.